This is going to be a super simple guide to the beginner to doing a pull-up. So, first things first, I'm going to show you 3 different variations to practice every other day because your body needs the rest. And depending on where you are right now, you should be able to do a pull-up between 3 to 6 months' time if you are consistent with what I'm about to show you. So, first things first, you're going to do some hangs, okay? So you're going to make sure you have a platform so you're able to just reach up and grab the bar and then just go dead hang on it, okay? Now, if you're brand new to this, you want to make sure you can use your feet as your support, okay? So rather than just going dead weight right away, you want to kind of ease into it. So if it's your first time doing it, you want to kind of shift your weight to your toes and then dead hang, but you could still have some control over how much weight you're putting on the bar, if that makes sense, okay? So just practice hanging for about 1 to 2 seconds, and then relax, and go back to it, okay? So do that for like 10 times, 10 reps. Then you're gonna do something called negatives, all right? So you're gonna jump up towards the bar. Don't be afraid to jump. And then you're gonna just lower as slow as you can. Now, if you end up at first like just dropping really fast, that's okay because you're getting used to it, okay? So you're gonna jump up and down, okay? So do a set of 10 of those, and then you're gonna go into the final variation, which is the hang to a scap, okay? So imagine, like you could use the same trick that I mentioned for the first one, in that you're kind of using the weight you put on your feet, on your toes. Same idea here. Squeeze and relax. Squeeze and relax, okay? So you could also, if you wanted to progress further, you could lift one leg up and do it that way. But you want to do 10 of each of these every other day to give your body a chance to rest. And then in about 3 to 6 months' time, you should be able to lift yourself up higher. So in the third one, it starts off as scap, but just go as high as you can, week to week. All right? And see how much that helps. If you like this, make sure you leave a like, helps show it to more people who might need it, and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Have a good day.